Welcome to our kitchen. Today we're bringing you a professional, high-quality video that will transform your perception of apple pie forever. Picture this: a freshly baked apple pie with a twist that includes a surprising addition: chewy cheese and aromatic truffle slices. Yes, you heard that right. Let's dive into this unique recipe. First, let's gather our ingredients. Besides the usual apples, sugar, and butter, we have some unexpected stars: chewy cheese, truffle slices, sugar, and crunchy bread. Our ingredients introduce a delightful new sensory blend that will elevate the traditional apple pie. We start by preheating the oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit, 190 degrees Celsius. While the oven is getting ready, we peel, core, and slice our apples. Use a combination of tart and sweet apples for the best flavor profile. In a pan, melt butter and add your apple slices, followed by a generous sprinkle of sugar. Let the apples caramelize until they are golden brown. Here's where things get delightful. Take a separate bowl and mix in finely cubed chewy cheese along with thinly sliced truffle and crushed crunchy bread. This will form our unique filling. Layer it carefully over the caramelized apples in your pie crust. Roll out your pie crust dough and fit it into your baking dish. Add the apple and cheese truffle mixture. Cover with the top crust, sealing the edges and cutting a few vents for steam. Brush the top with an egg wash for a golden finish. Now it's time for the magic to happen in the oven. Bake for about 50 to 60 minutes or until the crust is deeply golden brown. Slow-motion close-up shots capture the flaky texture of the crust and the caramelized bubbling juices peeking through the vents. When you remove the pie from the oven, let it cool on a wire rack. Our final scene: the taste test. Slice into your pie, showcasing the unique layers of apple, cheese, truffle, and crunchy bread. Each bite promises a harmony of traditional and modern flavors. This deconstructed apple pie leaves behind the ordinary and enters the realm of the extraordinary. Remember to optimize your video for SEO. Use relevant keywords like unique apple pie recipe, cheesecake truffle apple pie, and elevate your apple pie. Thank you for joining us in this culinary adventure. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more innovative recipes. Until next time, happy baking!